again, everybody. Mrs. Ulickney here, helping you with page 43 of your at-home math work. This is really good review for our test coming up on lesson 2. This problem, number 1, is kind of a 2-step, 3-step word problem. It says, Diana has 109 magnets. Roger has 56 more magnets than Diana. How many magnets do Diana and Roger have in all? So what are we trying to find out? We are trying to find out how many magnets do Diana and Roger have in all. But first, we have to find out how many magnets does Roger have? Because all we know in our problem is that he has 56 more magnets than Diana. So we know that Diana has 109 magnets and Roger has 56 more magnets. So we are going to add those. Why don't we break apart our numbers in expanded form to add? So how many hundreds are there in 109? I hope you're thinking 1, and one of those equals 100. How many tens do we have in 109? We have 0 tens. And then how many ones do we have in 109? We have 9. Very good. Now, let's look at 56. How many hundreds do we have? We have 0. How many tens do we have in 56? 5. And what does 5 tens give us? I hope you're thinking 50. And then how many ones? We have 6. Now we're going to combine them. But if you remember in class, we talked about regrouping. So 9 plus 6. I'm going to draw my touch math. I know some of us like to use that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So right now we have 15 ones. That is 10 or more, so we can regroup. Who remembers how many ones make a 10? I hope you're thinking 10. 10 ones make 1 10. So I'm going to draw 15 little itty bitty ones to give you more of a visual. Here are my 15 ones. So we said how many how many ones make a 10? I hope you're thinking 10. So let's cross out 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to give the 10 ones we crossed out, we're going to give an extra 10 to our tens column because we have 15 ones and 10 ones makes 1 10. So the 10 ones that we crossed out, we're giving a 10 to the tens column. How many itty bitty ones do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my 15 ones will change to 5 ones. Now, here's the 10 that we gave because we regrouped. What's 10 plus 0 plus 50? I hope you're thinking 60. And 100 plus 0, 100. So 100 plus 60 plus 5 gives you what number? 165. So we know that Roger has 165 magnets. But now we need to find out how many magnets do Diana and Roger have in all. So we're going to take Roger's 165 and add it to Diana's 109 magnets. Okay? How about we do it the traditional way? What is 5 plus 9? I'll put touch math on for those that use it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to regroup because it's 10 or more. We keep our 4 in the ones column. We give the 10 to the tens column. 1 plus 6 plus 0, what does that equal? 7. And then 1 plus 1, 2. So the total number of magnets they have all together is 274 magnets. Okay? That was a tricky one. Let's move on now to page 44, which is on the other side. I am going to let you try number 2 on your own. It says find the sum of 345 and 626. Remember what that word sum means. You can pick any strategy you would like to solve number 2. Let's look at number 3. It says, what is 149 plus 293? Let's solve it by breaking apart our numbers for more practice. How many hundreds are there in 149? I hope you're thinking 1 and that makes 100. How many tens are there in 149? I hope you're thinking 4 and that gives you 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many ones in 149? There are 9 itty-bitty ones. Let's go to 293. How many hundreds are there in 293? I hope you're thinking 2, and that makes 200. How many tens are there in 293? There are 9, and 9 tens gives us what number? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And how many ones in 293? There are 3. Now, let's add them up all together. 9 plus 3. Here's my touch math. 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, guess what? We have 10 or more ones. So what could we do? I'm going to draw my 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many ones make 110? I hope you're thinking 10 ones makes 110. So let's cross out 10 of our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to give those 10 ones that we crossed out, we're going to give a 10 to the tens column. How many ones do we have left? 1, 2. So now it becomes 2. Let's go over to our tens column. So 10 plus 40 equals 50. Ooh, 50 plus 90, or 9 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Uh-oh. We have 14 tens. 14 tens. So I'm going to draw 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many tens make 100? I hope you're thinking that 10 tens makes 100. So we are going to cross out 10 of our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to give 10 tens. We're going to give an extra 100 to the hundreds column. And then how many tens do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 tens gives us 40. Okay? So now let's look and add our hundreds. 100 plus 100 plus 200, 2, 3, 4. Gives us 400. What is 400 plus 40 plus 2? What number does that make? It makes 442, so you would circle letter A. Here it says Finn chose letter B as the correct answer. How did he get that answer? So he chose 432, but we know that's not correct. So what do you think Finn did wrong? Think about it. It seems like Finn might have added the ones and forgot to regroup or carry the 10 to the tens column. That's why he has a 3 in his tens column. It seems like that's what Finn did wrong. Okay, I hope this helped you. And remember, when you come back to school, you have your test. Bye.